Let's take a look at the move tool. So this is the top icon here. Move tool is used to move these images on the document. So you can use the arrow keys to move the image precisely. You can also hit the shift button to constrain it to one plane. You can click on the Alt button and drag to duplicate the image. Also, you can see that this pink lines appearing. So this is what is called as smart guides. So it will help you to align the image correctly in the center or in the side. To enable that, you can go to View, Show Smart Guides. Make sure that this is ticked here. The same thing here. You can use the Move tool to select this portion. You can move this around. To constrain it, you can hold the Shift button and then it will constrain to one plane. You can select this also, constrain it